Location, location, location. Welcome to your piece of paradise on Venice Island. This maintenance-free second-floor unit offers a wonderful opportunity for comfortable living. With 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, it provides ample space for you to enjoy yourself and host guests. What makes this location so fantastic is the closeness to all the conveniences and Venice Beach. Prentiss French Park and Hecksher Athletic Park are located within steps of the Condo. Historic Downtown Main Street Venice, located a short distance away, offers a charming and vibrant atmosphere. Concerts, the Venice Theater, as well as the convenience of restaurants, boutiques, banks, churches, groceries, and the post office. The Condo community boasts a large heated pool with monthly community activities, an outdoor grill and picnic area, laundry room, and book sharing. You will be blocks away from public beaches, as well as under a mile and a half from the Venice Jetty and the miles-long Legacy Trail. Step inside this unit and you will find a beautifully remodeled kitchen with quartz countertops and soft closing cabinets and drawers. Tile throughout the kitchen, living room and bathrooms. Laminate flooring in the bedrooms. Laundry and storage are located on the first floor with storage to hold your pool noodles, beach chairs, coolers and more. The Condo building recently replaced the roof, resurfaced parking lot, freshly painted the exterior and relined cast iron pipes. New water heater installed 20